Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So this video is going to be a brow it's a little bit of tongue twister. A brow lamination video, well, tutorial. And as you can see, these are my final results. I've been loving the way my eyebrows have been coming out lately. I'm that type of person that always says that I'm not gonna do my eyebrows dark this time, and I always get carried away with my eyebrows and they come out super dark. But I am loving the way I love the way my eyebrows have been coming out. By the way, I am not a makeup artist. I am not a brow lamination expert. What I'm gonna show you in this video is probably nothing new, but so what I'm gonna be showing you in this video, you probably already have at home, so that's even better. But what we are going to be using is a spoolie, and we are also going to be using, well, I'm gonna be using a eyebrow pencil. It does come with a spoolie, but I don't really like to use this spoolie. And I like eyebrow pencils because you have a little bit more control of the product. I got a little carried away this time, but honestly I'm not mad at it. But obviously you could make it look way more natural than my eyebrows. It's just that I'm letting my eyebrows grow, so in some places my eyebrows are a little bit more sparse, but that's that. And we're also going to be needing a concealer. It doesn't matter, any type of concealer will do. All the concealer is for is to obviously clean up your eyebrows and or carve them into whatever shape it is that you like. I usually draw in the tail because I like more like this kind of arch type of look. But I am so happy with the way my eyebrows came out. Oh, and I was just about to forget. So this product, you could go to the 99-cent store, you could go to the Dollar Tree. The $1 product is a glue stick, and I know this is nothing new. I know so many other people have also tried a glue stick. This is very easy to remove. I know there's so many other ways to do eyebrow lamination. Just that this was $1, so why not try it out? With that said, this is not the only way to achieve the look that you want. There's so many other options, but this is just it's just an option if you want to try it out. So with that said, if you want to know how I achieve this look with just using a glue stick, then just keep on watching. Okay, hey guys, so the first step we're gonna do is we're gonna brush our eyebrows. So I sometimes have a little stubborn hairs just because I used to brush them down, but now I like to brush them up. And then we're gonna go in with the glue stick. So first I tried applying some glue on the spoolie, but that didn't really work for me. So now what I do is I apply it directly to the eyebrow, and while I'm applying it, kind of combing my eyebrows up. So in this part, so you have to be patient in this part because okay, so once I apply the glue, I let it dry. I'm gonna be using my mirror because I feel so weird just looking at my phone. But you let it dry for like maybe 5 to 10 seconds, and then you comb it up gently. So we're gonna apply a little bit more glue just for the hold to be a little bit stronger. Remember that this is a 99 glue stick, so we're gonna let it dry for a little bit. Now let's do the other eyebrow. So you're gonna be doing the same step on the other eyebrow. And this is how you get your eyebrow lamination for just $1, okay? Just $1. So you could just leave your eyebrows like this, or you can shape them in, which I'm gonna do right now. But so my eyebrows, like I said, my eyebrows are still letting them grow, so obviously that's why they're not that even. So I do my eyebrows with a pencil just to have better control over the product. So if your eyebrows are uneven like mine are, it's okay, don't worry. This is where the eyebrow pencil comes in. So we're just gonna do small strokes, gentle strokes. If you messed up, it's okay because we could always go back and clean them up, so it doesn't really matter. So this is the step where we're gonna clean our eyebrows up a bit. So